Hey guys, so welcome to the new series, Nest of Opila Bird. Bird's the main character. I forgot Bird existed, so that's why this one's here. This one never basically appears. Just a warning, I got these characters from the fan wiki because I don't want to draw. I just hope you enjoy. I gave credits technically. I don't know who made them, so yeah. Let's go. Chink! What the? Hey, buddy. Shut up. There's no mission. Find my eye! Okay. Oh, button. What does this button do on my control? Boop! Ding, ding, ding. Let's go. Find my eye. That's not the right one! Dun 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 dun. It's time to go. Wait. Ba-ba-da-bum-bum. Ba-ba-da-bum-bum. Yeah, sorry it's so short. Yeah, I will see you all later.